Hello everyone. In this video, we'll cover the sustainable livelihood approach and livelihood programs in India from Unit 1 of Rural Livelihood and Production Systems. The sustainable livelihood approach is a way of thinking about the objective, scope and priorities for development activities. It is based on evolving thinking about the way the poor and vulnerable lives and the importance of policy and institutions. It helps to formulate development activities that are people-centered, responsive and participatory, multi-level, conducted in partnership, sustainable and dynamic. Let's talk about what is people-centered. Sustainability poverty eliminates will be achieved only if external support focus on what people understand the difference between groups of people, work with them in a way that congruent with the current livelihood strategy, social environment and ability to adapt. Next is responsive and participatory. Poor people themselves must be a key actor in identifying and addressing livelihood priorities. Outsider need process that enable them to listen and respond to the poor. Next is multi-level. Poverty elimination is an enormous challenge that will only be overcome by working at multiple levels, ensuring that micro-level activity inform the development of policy and an effective enabling environment, and at macro level structure process support people to build upon their own strengths, conducted in partnership with both public as well as the private sector. We need cooperation of both the sectors. Next is sustainable. There are 4 key dimensions to sustainable: economic, institution, social and environment. These all are important. A balance among these must be found between them. Dynamic. External support must be recognized the dynamic nature of livelihood strategies. Respond flexibility to change in people's situation and also develop long-term commitments. Next is various livelihood programs in India. There are certain livelihood programs which are currently prevailing in India, like Swan Jayanti Gramin Swarojgar Yojana. This is established to promote self-environment among the poor through acquisition of an income generating asset with the help of bank loans and government subsidies. There are other programs run by government institutions like NDDB, the National Dairy Development Board, Central Silk Board, the National Horticulture Board, and the Development Commissioners for Handlooms and Handicrafts. These are various government institutions which are working to promote the livelihood in India. Not also government, non-government agencies are contributing very good in terms of livelihood interventions. They are promoting livelihood in different regions and different sectors. There are various non-government organizations like Seva, Mairada, Pradhan, Basics. These institutions are working in a very good way to promote rural livelihood. That's all about sustainable livelihood approach and livelihood program which are currently prevailing in India. Thank you.